is 95% or 90 plus percentage still possible in board exams. 2026 boards are going to be really tough. AI checking होगी. There's a new pattern. There's a too much pressure on you guys. आज तक ऐसे boards हुए नहीं. If I would say all this, then you would think कि नहीं, Didi is exactly telling us that what the problems we are facing. You are just glorifying small problems. Boards हर साल होते हैं. Every year we face the same questions. Every year we face new pattern, and still we score good. And it's not because we just study in a different way or we are aliens. It's because we just take the changes in a positive way. That fine, you have 2 times boards this year, just take it in a positive way. Don't be worried about it. Can you still score 90-95? Yes, you can score 90 plus right now if you have few understanding of the chapters. Agar 50% syllabus bhi aapka ho gaya, you can definitely score 90 plus. If you're starting from zero, absolute zero, it's hard for you. You have to work day and night because it could be some miracle कि तुम्हारा अब अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए, because जीरो से तो कोई स्टार्ट नहीं करता. दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव. 60 to 70%, even if you have completed right now, then yes, you can score 90 plus, because there are some resources that I am going to cover till the very end of this video. 4 to 5 resources जहाँ से guaranteed questions आते हैं, and you can just rely on these resources completely. I also have a video for SST which I am explaining all the places from where CBSE asks questions जो कि तुम्हारे सिलेबस में नहीं है. सो वॉच इट दैट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मेरा 1 मार्क्स इसलिए चला गया था SST में, बट आई होप आपका ना जाए. Without any further ado and without any more bug, let's start this video. I am Abhika Yadav. I scored 98.4% in my class in boards. I have to tell it again and again in every video because I get hundreds of comments कि दीदी फिर आप ही कितने आए थे, तो फिर मैंने बता दिया बाबू. Now your first concern, which is about NCERT, whether we should read it now or not. Yes, you should read your NCERT. NCERT is really important. You cannot skip it. Even if you have 2 days left for your exam, you cannot skip your NCERT. NCERT, उसकी summary, उसके important boxes, yellow boxes, activities, everything you have to solve. No matter what CBSE says, PYQs में अगर वो आया है, they have a very high probability to come again. So better be on the safer side and solve them, because 10-15 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ने बेटर है rather than crying for it later. So अच्छे से पढ़ लेना उन चीज़ों को. Keep NCERT on a priority for math, science, SST, everything. English may be, whenever you're studying a chapter, remember 1 to 2 statements from the specific chapter, so that in 6-mark questions you can write those statements and make your answer look better. Same goes for Hindi, but Hindi is quite complicated, so better not go for it. You can write your answer simply, that will be fine. Mistake hoti मात्रा में, then just go watch a video of Hindi अध्यापक on spelling mistakes. You will really benefit from it. Second one is some YouTube videos which are going to enhance your prep really well. Like after you have completed your syllabus या फिर तुम्हारा revision हो गया, you need to do some good question practice, but after solving from a refresher you feel कि तुम्हें और practice चाहिए, go on YouTube and search for 77 most expected MCQs this year, or search for 50 most expected questions. Prashant sir, Digraj sir, they have some videos on it, and उससे you will have a variety of questions की practice, and after that you will gain some confidence also कि ठीक है मेरी question practice हो गई इतनी अच्छी, so you can practice from those. They are really well resources. उसके बाद में third one, which is marathon lectures, which are going to start soon for this year also. PW है, next toppers है, whichever you are going for. I went for both of them. मैं दो. Third resource, which is something which can not only enhance your prep but lock your marks also, which is CBSE's के sample question paper and previous year question papers. Now where are you going to get these from? Official side of CBSE तुम्हें मिल जाएंगे, but somehow PYQs बहुत scattered है वहाँ पे. So go for a site called as self studies, जहाँ पे for example अब तुम्हें एक problem face हो रही है कि बहुत सारे sets है, so which you need to solve. फॉर एक सेट है 3103, ठीक है. 3103 के एंड में 1, 2 and 3 है, 3 सेट है ये. सॉल्व एनी वन ऑफ दोज 1, 2 और 3. तीनों में सेम क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं ऑलमोस्ट, एंड पैट बस थोड़े से ऊपर नीचे रहते हैं बस. सेट 1 एंड सेट 3 आर यूजुअली डिफिकल्ट, लेकिन 2025 में देखा जाए तो सेट 2 डिफिकल्ट था. सो इट्स बेटर कि तुम किसी किसी का सेट 2 कर लो, किसी किसी का सेट 3 कर लो. ऐसा वास्ट डिफरेंस यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू सी इन दोज क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. एंड आफ्टर रिवाइजिंग और कंप्लीटिंग अ सिलेबस, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू कि एक पेन पेपर लो, राइट ऑल द MCQs रफ में और सॉल्व करते देखो कि तुम्हारे कितने MCQs बन रहे हैं, बिकॉज यूजुअली वहाँ नंबर चले जाते हैं. एंड डू इट अगेन एंड अगेन जब तक यू डू नॉट गेट परफेक्ट. Sample question paper solved in 2023. Now one more important thing, which is about the pens. देखो CBSE tells you that you can use blue ball pen and blue gel pens. It is not preferred to use a gel pen because accidentally if you spill water on it or the examiner spills water on it, तो तुम्हारी आंसर शीट शट साफ हो जाएगी और तुम्हारे आंसर से तुम्हारा फ्यूचर दोनों साफ हो जाएगा. सो इट्स बेटर बॉल पेन यूज़ करो. इवन इफ हैंड राइटिंग उससे अच्छी नहीं है, हैंड राइटिंग अच्छी हो जाएगी, स्टार्ट करो लिखना उससे. फोर्थ NCERT एग्जाम्पलर, डो नॉट मिस योर NCERT एग्जाम्पलर, बहुत अच्छी होती है, उससे प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए. फिफ्थ एंड द फाइनल, विच इज watch my videos on paper presentation. Paper presentation can actually boost your marks from 10 to 15 marks extra. by giving literally zero effort. So I have a video on that. Do not miss it. It is going to be so beneficial कि तुम वीडियो देखने के बाद definitely you're going to comment that it has helped you a lot, and a lot of students get a lot of enhancement or increase in their marks after watching my videos. So I guess that was it for this video also. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. I love you so much. Bye bye.